In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to play Minecraft Story Mode on PC. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. Usually, the way to acquire Minecraft Story Mode on PC was through Steam. Nowadays, if you try to look for Minecraft Story Mode on Steam, as you can see, nothing pops up related to the game. Only newer games like Minecraft Dungeons and Legends pop up. However, there is a way to access the Minecraft Story Mode game page on Steam, as you can see over here, Minecraft Story Mode, a Telltale Games game series. But, as you can see, there is a notice here. Notice, Minecraft Story Mode is no longer available on the Steam store. This game was taken away from all online digital stores, and it has never returned ever since it was taken away, including Steam and PC. Sadly, as of today, even on the Microsoft Store or any other online digital store that you may find this game in, it is impossible to buy this game and play it nowadays if you didn't already own it before it was taken away from all stores. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it is no longer possible to buy and play Minecraft Story Mode if you didn't own it before it was taken away from digital stores. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.